After buying 3 chili dogs at Weinerschnitel plus 1 large chili cheese fries, and the chili dogs did not have any cheese, $20.41. $20.41. That's why I went shopping today. I spent $88, got the fish, the chicken, some hamburger meat, bread, and then the cleaning towels. $20.41 at Weinerschnitel. There's no more 10 for what? 10 for $9.99 or 5 for $5.99. I said, you guys had any deals? $3.19 or $3.89 for a chili dog. How can a company stay in business? $20 an hour. That means you have to sell at least 5 of those an hour. I didn't see anyone there. Subscribe. Hey, I don't know about you guys, but I'm going to be eating home more. The best still out there, the McDonald's 2 for $6. Other than that, eat it all.